Today, we are diving into something super important for the target advertisers, and that is how you can download the reports and check your performance from there. And most importantly, after checking those data, how you can adjust your campaigns properly. If you are running ads on target platform, you know that just setting up campaigns isn't enough, because you need to track their performance to know which one is working and which one is not. Based on this, you need to do a right adjustment to get a best result. In this video, I will walk you through how to generate those reports and analyze them. So let's get started. First of all, you need to log in to your target portal. For me, I am using Roundel here. So from here, we need to click Manage Ads. From here, you can see the performance by taking several date range. So for me, I am taking last 30 days data. So from here, you can see like the spend, impressions, click and the other data here. If you want to see the line item and the product wise performance, you need to select on the reports tab. Yeah, here we are. So from here, you have to go to the templates. Under the template, you will see there are several templates. So to download the report, you have to choose this one, like Roundel Global Template, Roundel Media Studio. So I'm clicking here. After clicking the template, you will see this interface. Here you will see that account name, brand, campaign start date and the end date here, and also the campaigns category and the campaigns. You can select from here. For me, I'm selecting my brand name here. Like if you have several brand item to your account, in this case, you will need to select this. But if you have only one branded item, so in this case, you will no need to select this. And then like if you want to select any category, so you can also choose from here. And the campaigns data that you would like to check from the report, so you can also filter them. For me, as I will check all of the data, so I am not picking any campaign's name or the like campaign category. So after selecting the brand name, I am clicking into the submit. Here you can see all of the campaigns overview. But I will download the report. To download this report, I will go to the data tab. From this tab, you will be able to get 4 reports. So first of all, the weekly performance report. Secondly, device and page type breakdown. Third one is product performance. And the fourth one is line item performance. So from here, like before downloading this report, I will have to pick some metric. From this report, I need to pick some metrics. So for the product performance, I am selecting one metrics from here, like that is attributed total unit. After then, I have to select save button. From the dimension, I will select the campaign name also. Here, I will pick a filter, like to select a date range. So from here, I am selecting the event date and select operator is between. So if I select this month data, like this month so far, after then I'm applying this. After filtering this report, you have to check if everything is okay before downloading this report. Then you need to select the export button. From here, you can download two way, like one is direct download and another is send report to email or cloud. For me, I will send this report via email because as it is a large file, if I download this report directly, it will take too much time. So let me select the send report to email. So from here, you have to select a report name, like I am setting a random name here. And here you will have to add the email where you will send the report. After adding the email, you have to send it. From the email, you have to download the file. So it will be downloaded as a zip file. So you will get the 4 reports under the zip file. Here you can see I have downloaded my zip file, and here you can see already 4 reports are added. So let me open the first one. From this report, I can see like how much impressions I got for my which campaign. This report is device and page type breakdown report. From this report, you will be able to see from which channel you are getting the most of the sales. Like if it is from the web, app or the mobile. To know this, I will make a filter here. First of all, I am selecting the app. From here, you can see I got 1 million sales in last 30 days from the app. And you can see from the mobile, I got 379k sales. And now if I pick the web, you can see I got 121k sales from the web. So from here I can say I got most of the sales from app and then mobile and then the web. So now I know that where I need to spend more because I got most of the sales from the app. As we know, we can set a placement in the target platform. So in this case, I have to set a higher placement for the app. And then I will set a mid and the lower placement for the mobile and the web channel. And now you can see the second one, that is line item performance. So from this report, you will be able to see like which line item is doing good. Like before we creating campaigns, first of all we categorize all of the items and then we create campaigns line item wise. So this is the report where you can get this type of data like which category is doing good. So I am making a filter here, like I am picking the largest to smallest data. After making the highest to lowest filter, you can see there are many line item I am getting a good sales. But I need to find out from where I am not getting that much sales. So let me pick the smallest to largest. So you can see there are many items I am not getting any sales and there are many items I am getting a fewer sales. I have to check if the budget, placement and everything is okay or not. After then I have to set a higher budget, higher bids and other thing. So after filtering them, you have to separate the items, which one is doing good and which one is not. Based on this, if you think they are not doing good in a combined campaign, so you can create separate campaign for them and you can fix a separate budget for those items to get a better result from those items. Now, the most important one is the product performance report. So let me open this report and explain. I will do a same filtration here that we did for the line item report. So in the total sales column, I am sorting it with smallest to largest. You can see there are so many items we didn't get any sales over the last 30 days. So this is the report actually will help you too much to get this type of data and then you can find out which one is not really getting sales for you. After getting those, you have to check their listings, campaigns and the other things if it is okay or not. Then you have to take a decision. Like what is the decision actually you can take? First of all, you have to separate those items from the combined campaigns and then you have to check those items one by one. If you create separate campaigns for them, you can allow them a lower ROAS than the good items because as they are not getting any sales, so it will be better like if you allow 2 or 3 ROAS for those items at the beginning and then gradually you can optimize those campaigns to get a good ROAS like 4 or more than 4. So from my report, I am sorting with the 0 sales where I didn't get any sales over the last 30 days. From my report, I am selecting only the 0 sales. So you can see there are too many items I didn't get any sales from the last 30 days. So this is how you can get those data from this type of reports and then you have to take a decision where actually you need to spend more and where you can reduce the spending. Now I will sort this report with the lowest ROAS. Now let me pick the ROAS. Those are below 2. You can see there are many items I am getting sales but the ROAS is not good for them. So I have to check them as well, like what actually we need to do for those items to get a good ROAS. And now let me sort the highest to lowest ROAS. You can see here there are many items I am getting a good sales and I have a good ROAS. So there are the ad group where I have a lower ROAS items as well. So in this case, I need to find out which one is doing good and which one is not. So based on this, I have to separate them from a campaign. and then I need to run a separate campaign for the low ROAS items. Based on this, I will also set a placement and the budget as well. So it will help me to get a good sales from there, and also I will be able to reduce my overspending from those items. So this is how the product performance report will help you to get this type of data, and then based on this data you can take a right decision for your bad performing items. Now the last one is weekly performance report. So from this report I will get a week over week data here, and then I will check the ROAS if it is going up or down. So for me, I saw that my ROAS is going up day by day. If I see that my ROAS is going down, so that time I will check the previous performance where actually I had a good ROAS, and I will cross check my previous performance with the current performance. And if I see that time which bid rate was working for me and which one is not for me now, so I have to change this. And if I need to adjust the budget, I will also do this from my side. So this is how actually I will check every performance from this report by using this report, and I will set up my campaigns. Hope you have a better idea now how you will analyze those 4 reports and optimize your campaigns based on those data. Further, if you have any confusion, please let us know in the comment section, and also you can mail us info@ecomclips.com. So that's all for today. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.